Hello. Okay. The music was getting a bit too tétrico. Too scary. La música estaba poniendo medio tétrica. So, hello. Los dos llegaron temprano. Today, both of you arrived quite early. I also like scary music. Now that I think about it, why have I not played scary games? Ahora que lo pienso, ¿por qué no he jugado juegos de terror? That's a pretty good question. Huh. Maybe I will change that in the future. So I saw you two guys were fraternizing quite a lot on Discord because estaban haciendo muy amigos on Discord. Yeah. Not really. Uh, what would be the correct word? I find them interesting. I have the impulse of exploring them, the liminal spaces. I get the itch to go see inside, to explore and check. I have actually sneaked into schools, empty schools, and empty theaters just because I saw the door open. No one actually caught me, but I get the impulse of, hey, what's over here? Yeah. Yeah, that's probably. I actually have. When it's not related to my phobia of the abyss, I'm pretty good with pretty much any horror stuff. Sí, cuando no tiene que ver con mi fobia, tengo bastante callo con cualquier cosa de terror. Entonces, pues, hay ciertos lugares que me da la ansia de explorar. Por ejemplo, escuelas vacías, teatros vacíos, ese tipo de cosas. Yeah. Okay, let me play Russian Roulette. Déjenme jugar un poco de ruleta rusa. Veamos qué obtengo el día de hoy. Ah, what are these? Ah. Huh? What are these? What? Let me check the file name. I know they are hands, but why hands? Veamos. ¿Cómo se llama este archivo? No es ese, no es este, no es ese. Tampoco ese. Oh, it just says Otete-chan Workshop. Wait, don't tell me. Could it be? Let me check. Hold on, my camera is going to stop working for a moment. Okay, 1 second. Let me. I'm going to need to change some things around. Does this work? Hello? Oh, it does work. Ah, hello? Hello? Yeah, they are longer than my actual fingers, actually. And I think the hands are not quite correct. The tracking, I mean. Also, my face tracking is worse because of the. I need to change some stuff. I see. The hands can only be either completely open or completely closed. I cannot set it to an intermediate value. It seems, yeah, they just snap. Bueno, ahora tengo manos. Solo hay un detalle en el que parece ser que hay un límite en el rango de la cámara. Yeah. Ok. Este es inesperado. No me esperaba encontrar manos. Y no reaccionan muy bien, que digamos. Es impresionante que funcionen, pero no están funcionando al 100. Yeah, it's kinda cool. At least you can see my hands a bit more. The only issue is that I need to keep them up or the tracking is lost. Also, because my mic is on the way, it kinda doesn't pick up my hands very well. Well, it's a nice thing to have. It actually, the tracking is picking up my hands pretty well. It's more the issue with the hands themselves, that they are not quite picking my movements correctly. Yeah. Yeah. For example, this is one of my fingers, right? If I put it on my chin, the tracking is actually wrong. The finger is on my chin. Tengo mi dedo en el mentón, pero la mano se detiene antes de donde debería de estar y no empieza a seguir el tracking. Aquí estoy alejando mano a mano. Apenas aquí empieza a recoger mi mano como tal. Aquí la detecta, pero llega un momento en el que deja de detectar. Interesante. Veamos, ¿puedo acomodar esto un poquito más? Ok. Ok, se supone que esto es aquí. Entonces, esto debería estar así. Ok. Ok. Es interesante, pero no está tan bien como yo quisiera. Bueno, puedes ver cuando agarro mi micrófono aquí. Aquí estoy agarrando mi micrófono. I'm grabbing my mic right here. This right there. Yeah, it's about here. This is my mic right here. And I cannot even touch my hands together. The tracking is not quite correct. Well, whatever. Let me switch back to my normal tracking because my face is glitching out. 1 second. Okay, this is my normal tracking. Let me fix my... There we go. And this, well, I suppose I will remove them. Let's do another one. I want to have something to keep on the stream. Oh, cat smoothie. Ah, it got stuck to my hair. I wanted to place it on my shoulder. Okay. Ok, me cambio entonces a cat smoothie. Imagen, escena de desarrollo. Un momento. Let's see. ¿Dónde está mi smoothie? Hello, mi smoothie. Ah, there we go. Ah. Okay. That's all. Ok. Entonces, continuamos con el juego. La última vez estamos tratando de hacer un poco de inteligencia artificial para los slimes. This time, I'm going to work on something I saw. I found this right here. Hold on, it's not picking up the manure. Actually, let me just do this so it picks up the manure. So I found this function that is the one, sí, manual, el manual de usuario. Encontré esta función que hace un grid, una matriz de elementos, que era lo que yo estaba tratando de hacer el directo anterior. No sabía que GameMaker tenía ya la función existente. Yeah, this one right here. This makes the grid, and then you add the obstacles, and then you say with this enemy create a path through the grid, and if you find a path, start walking the path. Básicamente creamos la matriz, después agregas los obstáculos y después dices con tal enemigo agrega un camino, calcula el camino a través de la matriz. Si hay un camino válido, empieza a recorrerlo. It's quite simple, and hopefully it will work as it says in the manual, and I don't have to do too many workarounds. So yeah, this one seems nice, this code. Ok, la última vez estamos trabajando en esto, que básicamente es hacer lo que estaba haciendo ya. La matriz, este código de aquí. Entonces creo que no voy a ocupar este objeto de pata, lo voy a borrar. En Game Manager I want to remove the sprite. Y según recuerdo, en una de estas estaba... Esto de aquí es básicamente este mismo código. Nada más yo lo estoy haciendo desde cero. Yeah, it's the same code, this, and I'm just doing it from scratch. So that's the issue. I'm creating here the grid and everything. Yeah, it's nice that now we have that information. Also, I learned something important. You see this where they say object player, object enemy? I didn't understand quite why they did this. And I kinda get it. No entendía por qué utilizaban estos nombres de objeto jugador, objeto enemigo. Porque dices, ok, sí, pero ¿qué pasa en habitaciones, por ejemplo? What happens in rooms like this one where you have a bunch of enemies? What enemy are you referring to, right? En habitaciones donde estás, como esta, donde hay muchos enemigos, ¿a qué te refieres cuando nada más dices objeto enemigo, verdad? Leyendo la documentación, al parecer lo que hace es que este código lo ejecuta para todos los enemigos. This code makes it so all this code right here gets done on all enemies, not just one. Yeah, that's something I was actually researching. The fact it doesn't have functions for overloading and all of that stuff. And the reason for that is that they don't have hard types. For example, you can do this, but x equals to, well, let's say something equals to 1, 2, 3, and then you can say something equals to true, and something equals to an array, and then something equals to, I don't know, an object. And none of this actually throws an error, because this variable is just a space in memory, but it doesn't have a specific type associated with it. So when you write a function like something like this with a variable called variable, you don't actually know the value, the type of the variable. So if you write this like that, these two functions for the engine are identical. So they don't know how to tell them apart. That's why there is no overloading. Well, the issue is that usually when you do overloading like this, you don't have stuff like this, for example. Usually you try to keep the variables you pass as parameters as little as possible. So having many parameters is actually pretty rare. So that's the issue, right? Because I believe this will not be marking an error, because the function knows that these two are different just by the number of parameters. But if I have a different function with a different kind of variables, you cannot actually tell these two apart. Right? That's the issue for overloading. It's more a problem with typing, hard typing of the variables than anything. Right? So, this is supposed to create a grid. Going back to what we're doing. Volviendo a lo que estamos, nada más estaba explicando sobrecarga de funciones y por qué no funcionan en este lenguaje, en GameMaker. Here we do make the grid, we create, and then we add obstacles. And then you create the paths, right? Those are the steps right here. Let me check if this has oh, oops, I didn't mean to do that. If this has if I need to delete it, the grid after execution, so I don't have memory leaks. Ah, there we go. Yeah. There we go. So I need to create on room other room end. Right here. And what I'm going to do is just destroy this grid. I don't want to make memory leaks. That's pretty dangerous actually. Ok, this makes the grid. Esto hace la matriz. Y después ahora necesitamos agregar los obstáculos. Let me see, what can I add here? Instance. Object assets or objects instance. Object asset, I believe, is any asset, right? What do you mean? I haven't actually played crosscode, so yeah. If you're not careful, you can create make release. Okay, actually, why don't I play games that involve programming? Now that I think about it, huh? I should probably do that. Yeah, I probably should do that. We will see. Yeah. Like Babajiu, or for example, Factorio is another one. Or Magnum Opus is another one. Or what was that one called? Chim Space Jam. There was also a few that where you actually wrote in Assemble. I believe there was one for Pony something, Rainbow Pony or something. It was a horror game. I don't quite remember the game names, but I will look it up. Oh, I could also play games that involve co-op, where you need a hacker. Yeah, that's true. I'm not looking in options. Okay, so this creates the room. Then we add the obstacles. And can I just add something like get collisions? Like that? I see. So I need to add them basically one by one. So let me grab this one and we go over here. Let me move that out of the way. So we have this, right? So I need to add the wall objects and hold on, my cat wants out. I'll be right back. Mi gato quiere salir. Un momento. Regreso en un momento. Un momento. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. It turns out there are visitors in the house. So, yeah, I might get interrupted. But we will see. Okay, I can add the crates, the barrels also. Pines are not necessary. Water, I don't really use this one. Trees are necessary for sure. Yeah. Hopefully they are not very loud. With some luck. Can I use this here? I wonder. Seriously. So I cannot use the walls. This is going to be an issue. Let me check the manual. Uh, Linear step, mountain shape, greater step, that cell, distances as rectangle, a rectangle, object, asset, or instance. Let me check. Pathfinder system is a subject ID. And sorry, the version of that said it doesn't work anymore. Okay, this seems like a valid function right here. Nice. So I will just add this right here. So I can maybe just make a function. Function add grid add tile set. I feel like I will forget the name. I mean, what's the function for if I don't write it down like that? Okay, and let me just do this so the maker is not being annoying. And let's see, I can just set this like that, and let me put here the grid. Actually, I don't need to add it like that. I can just use this right here. Okay, so let me move this over here. Then I can just call it here with walls. I did it correctly, right? Okay, walls and walls manual and water. And I don't need this. And then we make the pathfinding. Algebraic exit. Okay, in theory this should be working as it is. Let's check it out real quick. So dungeon 1, there is no one here, so that should not be a problem. And if I go over here, okay, the other ones are not really moving. Yeah, the pathfinding is not triggering from what I can see. And no compile errors. Oh yeah, I forgot about this constructor right here in the pathfinding script. Let me, for now, and what I do here, I'm probably going to just kill this for now. This I believe are okay. It's not using it, but according to this, what it does is changes some values on the slime, so it can move. Let me check actually how the paths work. Oh, I need to use path delete actually. Okay, I need to check out more about this. Insert, delete, append, assign, delete, duplicate. Mirror, reverse. Start, path, and okay, let me experiment a little bit. How about instead of object slime, we just call the object barrel. That way I can just go over here. And there should be movement happening here. What does this do exactly? Let's go for a solo path. Uh-huh. Okay, let's see. Is there a path variables, path manipulation? Huh. I didn't know we had a previous variable. Persistent direction friction star previous and close number path variables and this position speed scale rotation in action exist reverse rotate scale set close shift. How do paths work exactly? Now that I am actually trying to make a path. Yeah, this is not actually useful. So much noise outside. Yeah, you can go diagonal too. How do I make... Let me look it out. Uh-huh. Okay, so it's supposed to work. Uh, as it is. Huh. Interesting. So basically, this should be working. Maybe if I grab this and we go to the slime over here and we set and create. Views, game star, room star, animation name. We have a pattern in it right here. Let's put it on. Let's try first on create. So I will place this over here. Right? And what I'm planning to do is space path action absolute. Oh, I see. Okay. I believe this is wrong. But action reverse false. Okay. So this is actually supposed to be more like this. And this should be true if I'm not incorrect. And let me make a path underscore and no path delete this path please. But I will call that on path ended. Here you delete path. Okay, so that should be moving right now for some reason or not. Okay, let me enable the book. And I need over here to know path. Let's see what does it print if I do that. $25, $26. Oh, is the idea of the path maybe? Huh. But they are not moving. Eh, the barrels are... Yeah, you're right. I forgot to change this back. Oh, and also I forgot to fix this one. Where did I place the other one? Did I put it in the crate of the slime? Yeah, right here. Maybe that's the issue. 1 second. Room start. I'm going to delete this. Okay, there we go. That seems to be correct. They are not moving though. And I need to check this. Let's see. Oh, the paths are invalid. That's the issue. I wonder why. Huh. Interesting. So this is returning false right here. Path grid, path XY, object player, and the distance. Maybe I can just add something like this. And what I'm going to do is open the step. And here I'm going to check if the path is not valid. And we recalculate the path I mean. And then we start moving. I shouldn't be doing this, but that's a weird combination of conditions, but stay with me. Actually, let me move this over here. I believe there is a function to check if a path exists, right? Mirror reverse set exists. Yeah. So let me minimize that. And we go to step. Okay, I think that should do the job. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill. That worked a little bit too well. Let's set this to something more more chilled. Okay. Yeah. There we go. That's interesting. I thought they were falling apart. Hold on. I need to move this over here. Let me change log to empty. Let me add a debug section. And I will just declare log. Bienvenido. Did I miss something over here? This one completes that. This completes this. I'm missing that there. Oh, that's true. I don't really need it. This actually. Let's see. Oh, I see. Oh, they are actually fighting against the path. Right there. You can see that, right? Once they finish the path, then they start moving normally. Interesting. Yeah. Only when they get on range is when they... And those don't have a valid path. That's why they are not moving. Huh, interesting. Sí, parece ser que no está recalculando los pads en tiempo real. Lo cual no es malo, pero necesito poner algún tipo de interrupción. I need to add an interrupt to the path for sure. Let me do this. I'm going to kill one of these. Okay, so if I do this. Huh, that's interesting. Maybe I'm not modifying the variables correctly here. Let me rethink this a little bit. Yeah, they are still using the old moving script. Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out how am I going to figure this one out. Okay, so this is working as expected. When there is a valid path, we start moving. Oh, I see. This is not resetting because I never changed this variable back. Okay, okay. Okay. And to make this look correct, what variables is the path modifying when the movements start? Okay, the in timelines, time score, ticks, callbacks, alarm, a step and step, redraw, close draw. Okay. Name number, point speed, XY precision, multiplication. Exist at that point, change point, insert, delete point, clear point, append, assign, flip mirror, reverse, set close, set precision, path orientation, path induction. Start, continue. Orientation, scale, speed, path position. Okay, position previous. Okay, maybe I will need to rethink the way movement is done if I use this path system. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to need to... Oh, shit. Oops. I don't know if you heard that, but nothing happened. Nothing happened. Everything's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, okay, set precision, kind, rescale, rotate, mirror, flip, duplicate, assign, append, clear points, change, point, third point. Get X. Speed. Okay, I can use this right here. So I simply check after the pad is get collisions right there, like this. And to restart the pad is very easy. I just need to grab this and set it this to false, like that. Wow, that's quite a lot of information you got there. You are indeed correct. I drop my controller, my game controller, Xbox controller. Wow, this mic might be a bit too good for my own good. Okay, if I do it like this, if I enter like this and I go all the way over here, they are still not working correctly for what I see. Okay, let me see. It's falling into this option. Meaning the pad is not valid. Oh, I swear. Maybe I need to do this. And probably this too also. Yeah, it seems it's working now. It's getting interrupted. Yeah, the paths is working for sure. The issue right now is probably that the two movement systems are fighting each other. That's probably what's happening right now. Yeah. I'm just trying to make sure it is working as I want it to be. So I want to make sure they are avoiding stuff like barrels and the such. Ah, I fell. So if I stay here, the path he will follow. He's actually avoiding the barrels pretty well, I would say. Yeah. It is avoiding obstacles fairly well. Hmm. Collisions is returning. Wall slime, parade barrel, fence tree. Yeah, that was the goal, to check if they are actually checking the paths correctly. You can see there that, for example, they are not taking into account the holes. Right there. Okay. Also, I believe these are wrong. They should be over here. Actually, let me just do it something like this. Valid path. Anomaly path. Otherwise, just give me an empty string. So it's more accurate. Because that string is misleading right now. Yeah, now you can see when the path's invalid right there, for example. They are colliding with each other. Huh, interesting. When, yeah, you can see when one system takes over. Over the other one. It functions a little bit janky, but it's interesting watching it work. Okay, now what I want to do is fuse this path system with the one I already have. It might just be a little bit weird. Okay, this is pretty long-winded and weird, so another thing is that I don't know if you know this, but for example, let me show you what I mean. I noticed this when I was watching the slimes move. Right now, if I place a slime there, look what happens if I destroy the barrels. Here, you see how it says it doesn't have a path, and then it suddenly has. But you see how it's going around where the barrels were before. For example, if I stand here, it says it doesn't have a path. You can actually see it avoiding the barrels that are no longer there. Yeah, the grid is not updating, basically. Yeah, you can see it going around the obstacles, which is funny. How do I make that work a little bit more clean? We got delete point, add point. What's the function I'm using for the to add the objects? Add instances. And I believe this is add cell. Okay. So this one, add instances. Uh-huh. Can I remove instances? Empty underscore create no instance. Clear cell. Let's see, what's that over here? Clear cell, clear cell. I don't see it. Clear cell. Okay, this is actually useful. What do you mean, being careful with the information I share? Did I say something I shouldn't? Did I say something questionable? No? Okay. What I need to do is... is there a way to make this easier? Because I feel like I'm going to have to go object by object, modifying each one, which sounds like a lot of work I shouldn't be doing. There should be an easier way to do this. Okay, there is no overcharge, right? But do we have inheritance? Let me check. Well, let me tell you, you already failed your deduction. Because one, I don't have a table. Aha! I bet you didn't see that one coming. I don't have a table or a desk. Well, I suppose this qualifies as a bit of a table, but I don't think most people will call it a table. And it's normal. Yeah. But for example, this quote marks table, you cannot move, you cannot pick it up, which is extremely annoying. So I'm supposed to do something like this when I just clear the grid when the instance is destroyed. Like that. But I don't want to do this for every object. I was thinking of inherence. Does KeyMaker have inherence? So if there is inherence, there should be something such as a parent. Oh, it seems like in my parent object. Yeah, it's still probably a table. If you knew what it was, you will agree with me that it's not a table. If anything, I will call it a window. I'll let you imagine what it is. Mm. Okay, so you can child objects. Oh yeah, I did see the parent button there. Oh, okay. Okay. So if this functions as I believe it does, then I can do something like this. I can create an object. I suppose you got an idea of what it is. So yeah, it's technically not a table. Let's call this dropper parent. Also, another flaw in your deduction is that my controller is not on me so-called table. Which is why I kinda push it off into the floor by mistake. Okay, so we have a parent, right? So I can grab this code where I have these ones. Just initializing the state. Huh, interesting. Yeah, just most people get the intrusive thoughts from time to time. It's nothing to be too worried about. Okay, so let me see. We have HP, much HP. So can I do something like creating this HP integer and set it as 1, max HP, set it as 1 integer, and if I wait, okay. Do these don't inherent variables? Let's check it out. So we have this, right? Let me create an object. Let's call this object underscore test. Really? Oh no. Come on. Object underscore test. If I say this parent is going to be objects dropper parent. Do we have? Oh, I do have the variables right here. Huh. Nice, and I can actually modify them. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay. That means I can use this right here. I can have a state, and this will be an expression. State dot here is idle. And that idle. Okay, and we can have a direction also. Expression here dot down. I believe is the default. I could probably just generate the key like this. If I'm correct, I can just say key and expression, and it's going to be just that. Okay. I can probably delete this function right here. We have a spawn time. Okay, I think I can use this as default, so I can grab that and place it over here on the create event. I don't need this. Let's call this the init. Okay, so we have this, right? Let me create a child object again to experiment a little bit. So if I set this as the parent, that gives me this, right? Open parent, inherent parent, override. Can I then just do something like this? Will that be correct? If I grab this object and place it, for example, here, let me kill this guy, and I place this object, and we play. Ah, dropping it, not set before. Ah, right. I forgot about the fact that I deleted the function of dropping it. We have a cooldown. Let me add these variables also. Cooldown of default 5 with integer and not in chance. Let's set it by default to 100 and a debug variable, which is boolean. Okay. What happens if I set this as a child of this guy? Huh. Interesting. It's marking it as let me give it a try. Object of data not set before init respawn time. Okay, so because I overrode the create, I'm not pulling this code right here. So if I do it like this should not work, it seems. No, it's because I haven't set the player. I can fix that later. So you can do it like this, okay. Then I can add the sprite destroy and call this asset and grab this grass destroy and we move this to the top as the default. Okay, that means I don't need to use this event. In theory I can just delete it there, and then we got just the inherent override inherent event. Oh! Okay, if I delete this, then I can just use this, trash that, and just call it inherent, and then I just said sprite underscore destroy equals this. Ah, I see. And that means it would work the same way, right? Like this. Yeah. Let me see. This is working with... is the drops script. Over here. It's complaining that he cannot find the object, but I can just do options underscore player, right? If I'm correct, I can just do this. For that, And then that should be good enough. Yeah. There we go. It's working. Okay, está funcionando bien. Huh. Interesting. How curious. So I can overwrite or inherit the event. If I delete it, I get the parent. I can then inherit or overwrite, and then we have the parent. Okay. Yeah, basically, you need to call this function to get the code for the parent, but you have it by default right here on the it's per event for what I see. The create event, the destroy event, etc. That's the idea. Yeah. So I can delete these ones. And this one I can get. I can just edit right there. Okay, okay. And we have the destroy where you just call drops. I can create here a destroy event where we call the drops. And this where I clear the cell. Right? And that way, now if I delete this event, we had this one. That is the parent event right there. Interesting, huh? Evaluate dropper state. Function dropper load. Actually, I can just move this code. This here. I can just delete this function and just move this code over here to step right there. Like that. And now we can just kill this. And we have the code right there. Okay. Okay. This is pretty useful actually. We also have droppers debug. I can just move this over there and destroy this function. I just call draw UI and I place it there. And we got that for all the droppers now. And I just need to delete this event. And we got the code. Animations. I have the switch. I can just grab the switch as it is and move it over here the animation event over here. Animation end. Like that. In here, I just need to delete this and we're good. Right? And I don't need this experiment object. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Probably I can actually use this. I could just move this one over here. And grab this right there. Let me expand that. Yeah, and we have everything in a single object, which is very useful, I would say. Yeah, I can just grab this right here and we go and just set this as the parent. Drop her parent. Let me close that. And here I can delete this. And then just call and inherit and set this there. The destroy we have this in 500. I don't need these ones. I can set this right there. And destroy is getting all right, because I removed drops. Did I not add the code for the drops to the correct? Wait, this is not the right. Animation end. This is correct. Did I add it to the wrong place? Wait. Yeah, I added to the wrong spot. This is supposed to be over here. I can kill this. And now I can delete this one. And we got now the destroy event right there. This one we can delete. You can delete this one. animation and also can be deleted. This one is inherit. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Oh, you can actually just add the children here. So I can just grab decorate over here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay, okay. So the barrel is done, I believe. I don't need to modify this one anymore, I believe. Hold on, did I not? Right, we said 500. Cooldown of 4, so 500. Cooldown of 4. There we go. And I can just kill this, reset. Okay, the barrel is done. Let's check the dropper, the crate. Okay, I just need this. And we delete and insert. Place that there. And we can delete this one. This one can be deleted. This one can be deleted. This one can be deleted. Okay. And I need to check variables. 400 with 5. Okay. So 400. Like that. Okay. Nice. And since we added the code right here, so can I just collapse this? Yeah, thank you. We added this to remove the item from the cell on destruction. I'm missing this. Okay. Okay. This is going to be pretty convenient for the enemies, I mean. That would be really useful, for sure. And now, I believe this on droppers is pretty much empty, right? Beyond this dropper load. I could probably move this to the object parent here on the crate. Instead of having that, we can just do this. Oh, In that way we can delete this one. Drops is also empty for some reason. Did I really delete even the drops? Let me check on the drops. Did I make... yeah, there is not much here actually. Right? We just had the Intinus stuck, which is in the hotels for some reason. Okay, and this we just switch the index. Huh. Okay. I think I don't need to modify those for now. This is okay. I don't need this. Okay. Now, in theory, that should be clearing the crates from the path finding. Oh, I forgot I removed the enemy. So if, for example, I grab this slime right here and I place it there and I hit play, go to dungeon, exit, return. Here it goes around the crates, right? But if I destroy the crates and leave and come back, this guy is no longer, or is it? He's still going around the crates. Huh. That's weird. Huh? Yeah, he's still going around the crates. That's odd. They should be working correctly. Okay, on destroy, we're doing this to drop and then clearing the thing, right? Is it maybe an issue with the creation? I don't need this. Okay, we set the respawn time, load the data, and we set the state on cooldown. So until then we call instant destroy after storing the data. On destroy, we're calling this. Instance destroy. Store data. And destroy, we're calling. Oh, I see the issue. I see the issue. I see the issue. I see the issue. This should be right here. Okay, now he's following right there, right? And he's going around the crates. And now, if I destroy them, now it should be ignoring where the crates were, like that. Yeah, it is ignoring the crates for sure. Is he? Or is he not? Yeah, it is ignoring the place for the where the crates were. Sí, es porque ahorita tiene dos inteligencias artificiales tratando de controlar el movimiento. Entonces, cuando aparece el letrero de Invalid Path, es que la inteligencia artificial viejita está controlando, y cuando no está el letrero, donde nada más es un número, son las dos controlando al mismo tiempo. Entonces se mueve medio raro. Por eso estoy probando la inteligencia artificial. Drops not set before ringing it. Object slime line 2. Oh, I see, it's a problem in the slime. Because this code no longer exists. That's indeed what happened. Okay, this is the issue right here. It's because I removed the drops script, meaning I need this drops script. So let me add this to the utils probably. And that was for the slime right here. It's called drops, not drop. Ok. Entonces ese sí lo voy a ocupar. Y significa que lo puedo cambiar por simplemente drops. Oh. Ok. Creo que puedo mejorar algo de esto, la verdad. Ok, creo que eso debería de arreglar las cosas. Sí, el pathfinding está funcionando, más o menos. Ahora solo necesito hacer que se lleven bien los dos algoritmos diferentes, which is going to be a challenge onto itself. Oof, okay. How do I do this? Ah. Veamos. This is the one I'm using to load the respawn time. Okay, we have the key generate. We have a nothing chance. Enemy animation speed. I don't believe I'm using this, if I remember correctly. This too. Let me check if that's correct. I don't want to make a mistake. Huh. Okay. Está funcionando. Flag, random rate, direction time limit, attack range, detection range, direction alerted. Okay, I think I can somehow make something useful here. I can make an object to handle a lot of this. Okay, so there are a lot of variables that I see that this object shares with the barrel, for example. We have HP, match HP, a state, a direction, the key, cooldown, nothing chance, etc. So I was thinking that maybe I could put these two with the slimes and other enemies under a specific kind of parent, and then we have a different parent for the droppers to a different functionality. For example, the respawn time of the crate is the same as this function right here. We also have a key in the variables right there. I'm just trying to figure out in my head what the differences are. Yeah. For example, the animation ends are, I believe, going to be a bit different than the normal ones. For example, I believe the destroy is also different. Oh, it's the same. Cleanup, yeah, that's another. The step event is going to be different. Hmm. What is this? Is that a breakpoint right there? Oh, I didn't know I could place them. Hmm. Okay, okay. I'm thinking how to restructure this thing. Going down, we have fronting, we have bump, we have the death. All this is on step. Animation looks like this. We blur the gallery his function. Hit to hunting. This would be a bit different, I believe. Yeah, here on hit we just check if he's dying or not. Here is where we check for that. Oh. Hold on, my cat wants out of the room. I'll be right back. 1 second, I'll be right back. Ew. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I see that there are a lot of common stuff between some objects, so let me try to generalize a little bit. Object underscore entity underscore parent. Okay, why did I need this open up? That's right. We're going to first add some variables. Let me close this actually real quick so I can start with a clean slate. Let me just do this. Okay, and we have first, let's check this line. So we have some variables here. We have the HP, low, cooldown. So we can have a cooldown. Let's leave it as a default of 5. We have a state, the debug variable. This is an expression and the default is idle. Debug is a boolean. Cooldown is an integer. We have also HP. Default is 1. Integer, how much HP right here. Default 1, integer, and not in chance. Let's set this to 100, integer. You have these speeds, but I don't think I'm going to need them. This there also is necessary, and it would be an expression of tear down. Okay. I don't actually need these ones. Detection range could be useful. Attack range also useful. What am I using this for actually? Is that part of the movement? Am I actually using this somewhere? Oh, I'm actually using it. I might not end up using it for real. Let's leave it there for now. We also need the key. This key will that, and it will be an expression of generate key. Okay. Here, state, I don't really need them. Nothing chance, HP, cooldown. I can set this over to level all the way to the bottom. Okay, that looks better. So with this I can just remove most of this. I can remove this, I can remove that. These ones. They're change limit not, but these ones I can remove. Here also. I can remove these variables too. Actually, now that I think about it, I probably need another object. Object underscore enemy left core parent, and this will take entity as parent, and it will have its own definitions. Can I just grab these ones over here? It won't let me. Okay. So we have an attack range of 64. And that's an integer. We can remove this one. Detection range. And that was how much? 100. Okay. Integer. Not in chance. We can leave there. Much HP. Okay. So these are the variables unique to the to the enemy, I believe. Okay, and if I set this as a child, the slime gets all the variables. Huh. Okay. So in theory, that doesn't actually cause any issues. I can actually move this destroy to the enemy current. Actually, I can actually move it all the way over to this one, right? Right there. And that means I can delete this one. And now we have that right there. And this is the enemy, right? And parent, we have as child this one. I could just grab the proper parent right here and add it. That means the dropper parent now has all the variables on top of the ones it already had. So I don't need the debug, nothing chance. Cooldown, the key is also here, I believe. Yeah. Direction, state, match HP. Yeah. Did that affect these guys in any way? It did. Well, That's fine, I can just fix it later. Okay, so that means this guy has a... If I delete this event now comes from the parent, which is the same as the one we already had. Okay. I believe I knew about this before, things would have been a lot easier, for sure. Hmm. This is way more complicated than I expected. Yeah. Uh, is this function right here? I can not here, but all the way on the entity, I believe, should be here. That means this right here. I can kill this, I believe. Yeah. That way we have there. As normal. I just need to probably fix this guy, because we have the low response time, but we don't have these variables right here. Huh. Let me inherit right there, and then we just check this one. Let me just move all this over here for now. Okay, that means I don't need this. I can delete this event, and now we have the code right there. Ouch. That sounds painful. For sure. Can you just kick it to them? Well, that sounds painful, but you cannot really blame anyone but yourself, sadly. Clean up. This one should be on the over here, and I don't need this one right there. This debug, I can add it over here. Actually, this probably could be coming directly from the entity. I'm going to just leave it like that. And that means I don't really need this right now. Steps, animation, and this is going to be necessary on the enemy parent down here. Animation and that's sad because, well, I wouldn't say that I have a very good, like, amazing dexterity, but I believe I'm pretty good, for example, marksman, sharpshooter, and I got fairly good coordination and reflexes. And here I am sitting on a computer as a job. Let me see. I'm going to grab this and delete the event. And I'm going to inherit. Okay, like that. Because right now I don't know what to do with this. Okay, this is probably going to be needed, at least this. On the parent, not on the entity, but on the enemy parent. I can kill this. Patent it. Just to make sure. Let me set this to inherent the event and we set that variable there. Okay, the hardest part is going to be figuring out the movements. Okay, I'm thinking. This is the check for the paths. I can probably add path palette to the enemy parent on the creation right here. Just so it doesn't cause issues. Hmm. Okay, I'm seeing already some code that should be common between all enemies. Okay. I think this can be probably improved. The handling of directions as me. Uh, hmm. Okay, I can. I think I can. Modify some stuff here that could make things better. You mean one at a time? I'm not sure. I need to check the documentation. Can I path? Can I just set a not that. I could just delete the points in the path to Hmm. To stop it from moving. And I believe I can get the points right here. You can add another path. I think it's possible. Yeah, I was actually planning on doing something like having some chocolate with me when I'm doing the in-depth streams. But I'm afraid I might get fat. That's what I did on when I was on university. I would have chocolate whenever I was doing programming. You can get the points of a path and remove points. So you can, yeah, you can technically make the getting fat, gaining weight. I did that on university. I used to eat chocolate to program. Yeah. Okay, so I can probably improve these pieces of code when I get in the direction of the sprite. Hmm. I should probably do it so it makes things better for me. Yeah. I actually don't get fat easily, but if I start eating too much chocolate, I can actually go gain weight. But yeah, that's a method I did when I was on at university. Oh, there it is, the function to have moments in the hunting. Actually, am I calling the move function anywhere? This is hunting, this is going down, interrupted. Actually, I'm not using movement, I'm using hunting. Huh. Check here, then we switch directions. Check this right here. We just check the speed to decide the direction. Huh. Yeah, it can be pretty much anything that uses a bit of sugar, I believe. It's just that I love chocolate. Yep. Yeah, but fruit goes bad pretty easily, especially in this time of the year because of the heat. So fruit is not really an option. Maybe cereal could be something. Right, fruit could be an option. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Uh, hmm. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how to use this and generalize it. Yeah, I'm thinking. Hmm. Sprite enemy hit, enemy death. Sprite slime. Line move. Right there down. Okay. Interrupted. Okay. Okay, I think I might be able to simplify this quite a bit. I just need to make a function. Let's call this get sprite. Get sprite. Get directional sprite. And we need a what is called suffix. And the structure is var underscore sprite is going to be sprite underscore plus suffix, and then I want it to be something like sprite plus enemy plus state plus direction. Okay, then we will need a variable called direction, and I just said we get the direction right here. Get direction. Then we need get state. Like that, and this would be state. So we will be returning a sprite underscore or suffix for the enemy, underscore state, underscore direction. I believe that is correct. And I believe I was in the object manager where I checked the not here. Not here. This is where I split the name of the map. 1 second. My cat wants to leave the room. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see. What was it? Maybe I should check the manual. Set. That's right, remedies asset browser. Not that. What was the name? Uh, the asset index. Yeah, okay, that is it. The one I was looking for. We can close this. And I was working over here. I just say get asset index of this. Actually, let me do this. Var underscore sprite equals this. And what was the code? Object greater than -1. Object greater than -1. We return sprite. Okay, then I just need the get direction and the get state. Did I not make a... Yeah, I have this right here. Get the num state value. Let me make another function right here, the same as this. Get a num prefix, and it will be, let me check the ones I was using. Sprites, where are you? Player. Okay, idle. I'm going to use ideal. Moving is going to be move. Counting will be on. Hit will be just hit. Cooldown, let's call this cool. Dying, let's call this DNG. Danger, no. Dying. Death. Yeah, I think that's correct. Am I missing any? Okay, that way we have a hidden prefix. So over here, where was I? On step right. We get the prefix. And I need to do the same for the directions. Right here. We have those. And I just need to get a prefix. This should be a state prefix. And this will be direction, let's go prefix, and I'm going to set it like this. This will be L, this will be R, up, down, and we just remove this one. Right, that's better. So I just call get prefix, and in theory that should be working fairly well. Let's call this just get sprite, and let's call this character. Okay, I believe that should be working. This should be here. This should be state. I'm not missing anything, am I? Actually, let me remove this if. Huh. I think that's correct, right? So I can just move this code to... Where are you? Scripts. Let's put this on the hotels for now. And here on step, I can ignore the switch here. I can just say sprite. Sprite index equals to get sprite for the character. Here this will be slime, right? And that means I need to switch the names of the sprites over here. Here is slime for movement. And it would be like this. This would be direction, move D. It would be move. This would be right, move. It would be up, move. In theory, with that change right there. Oh, it actually updated the thing right there. That way I don't need this switch anymore. And the slime should be working normally. Ah. Alright, we don't have a variable path. I believe it was in the create right here for the enemy parent. It needs a path variable. Like that. Ah. Player on a script call movement. Okay, so I need to go to the slime on the step all the way up here. I'm calling player like this. I just need to switch it like that. Okay. There we go. It's disappearing completely. It only reappears when the okay, let me set some debug information. I just need details. If underscore sprite equals to -1, I'm going to enable debug. And set log equals to this information right here. And what I need is over here on the parent, enemy parent. I need to go actually to the entity parent. Let's call this log. And on create we need a log equals to that. Let's see. Slime Horn 1. Oh, I see. It's because the movement is the same. I see. Hunting and movement are different stuff, it seems. Yeah. Let me go to the slime then. Where are you? On sprites. Let me duplicate. Well, let me add another group. And I'm going to grab all those and duplicate and then move them over here, and then I'm just going to can change this for home. Okay, like that, and that should fix the issue, I believe. There we go. At least it's working fairly well. That's nice. Okay, now that I have that solved, let me do a little bit more. Um, we need to go over here. This one is functioning correctly, I believe. And what was the name I placed for? Not this, for here. Huh. I didn't actually make one for wind up and wind down. Wind up. Ouch. Wind up. And I will call this wheel. And the other one will call the wind down. Wait. Okay, and for that, I'm going to change these names right here. It should be slime. And it down. Like that. And this should be like this. Actually, wait, that's not correct. Okay, I named these ones very weirdly. For some reason. I don't know what I was thinking when I named these ones. Okay, I believe that's correct, so I can just call this right here, substituting the thing. Let me check. Ah. Let me shut down the movement AI for a moment so I can actually see what's happening there. Okay, just so I know what's happening. Oh, I see. Is the wind up the one that is messing up? Maybe I put it on the wrong spot over here. Yeah, wind up is correct actually. Window should be the one. Did I mess up the nums then? Window, wait. Window. It should be correct. Sprite without L. The issue is with window without, I mean. But why is window? It shouldn't be triggering window right here. Oh, is it because it's in range? Maybe. Let me check one more time. Yeah, window is working correctly. The issue is with wind up. Yeah. Okay, let me just move this over here. This is interruption. This is attack. Wind up. Okay, it should be right there. And I need to modify this one right here. Let me just grab this right there. Wind up. I'm starting to think that I named those files like that just so I could make faces with the characters. Okay, I believe I can just do this. There we go. Window is working. Okay, it seems the animations are working as I expected. Hmm. Yeah, what's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, you're right. It's getting late already. Okay, I think I will continue then later. We figured out the pathfinding with this code, and I figured out how to fix this nightmare of switches. Yeah. We will continue next time, as your boss says. What does your boss say? Pick a feather, pull the Horchi. Well, that's quite the saying. Okay. I can actually probably fix the attack state also. And this is the interrupted state. Okay. Okay, we will continue later then. So let's go back. Hello. That's not what I meant to do. There we go. Okay. Well, we made some progress. I need to restructure the way I handle the pretty much all the everything that moves in the game. Yeah, but it's fine. I believe. That's fine. Don't worry. I do the same all the time. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, then I will stop here. We will continue on Monday, probably. Tomorrow, hopefully, I will publish the schedule for next week. There will be another Dokapon collab on Saturday, but it probably will be on the early morning. Tuesday? Today is Saturday, right? Yeah, today is Saturday. On Monday. I will publish tomorrow the schedule. We will see each other on... Oh, you're right. Yeah. Development will be on Tuesday. Next time we will see each other will be on Monday for Dragon's Lagma, as you call it. And yeah, on Thursday we'll be playing again Ultra Kill. Well, you will see it on the schedule. Okay, then I will be ending stream here, and I will see you again next week. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. I need to request commission an ending screen. Good night. Good night, good night. Night night.